Hello, Mystical Forest. What's going on, man? I can't even fathom why this video has went up. Um, you say that there's no transitional fossils for apes to humans. There's loads of transitional fossils from apes to humans. Um, there's transitional fossils from when we went from Homo erectus to Homo sapiens. There's transitional fossils for almost our entire timeline as a human species, especially to the point where we branched off from the apes. So you have to understand, we didn't we didn't descend from apes. We branched off. We're a lineage, all right? A lineage just means another part of the tree, right? Right. So there are transitional fossils. You say there's no DNA evidence supporting that we came from apes. Well, guess what, you idiot? There is, okay? There's a genome in every living thing on the earth, right? This genome, like these genomes, tell us everything, right? Like humans used to have tails, right? In our genome, we used to have tails. You know, there's we used to have way more hair than we used to. Now, the only thing that happened within these genomes is, the body said, well, we don't need a tail anymore, right? So they slowly stop, it slowly caps off, and we don't use that part of the genome anymore. So that's genome research, which you need to look into. Now, between the link between humans and apes, all right. Well, the best thing about this is we're already proven right, okay? Because all the creationists and everybody out there said, you know what, to prove that we came from apes, you're going to have to give us some solid evidence. Kind of like your DNA evidence you keep going on about, right? Okay, you need solid evidence to prove that we came from apes. And I said, okay, well, we started looking through. Now, we checked through, pretty much, DNA, the genome, everything like that. And in the genome research, we found the chromosome that actually links humans to apes. Now, it's chromosome 13. Now, chromosome 13 gave us our lineage to branch off from those apes, and is actually the whole reason for us as a species, right? As for Homo erectus and for Homo sapiens, and before that as well. So you can't argue these facts anymore, Nick. As much as you want to, you can't. This is, we always go on about facts. Now, this is undisputable fact, okay? The guy that writes biology books for pretty much everywhere in North America, Mr. Miller, he has a video on YouTube explaining the genome and the chromosome found to link us to apes. And he's a Christian. Like there's no way you can't refute this evidence. So anyway, Nick, look up Miller online for the chromosome 13 and educate yourself on the evolution of apes to humans. And then after that, why don't you try the evolution of, I don't know, every other species in the world. Thanks, Nick. And just for the record, there are intermediary transitional fossils. So, before you say there aren't, there's loads of them. Lots and lots of them. So, have a good one, Nick.